Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark. So, ever wondered what's the secret hiding inside the marine battery packs? So on today's video, I'm gonna introduce you this 24 volts, 230 ampere hour battery pack for the Marines. This battery pack is customized according the client's requirement dimensions with the 550 millimeters in length, 300 millimeters in width, and 240 millimeters in height. And the weighting is about 45 kilograms. Here is the complete product, and this is hasn't fully yet, so I can show you the internal structures clearly. And this is the connectors, and here is the chargers. Let's get into it, see what the secrets this marine batteries pack holds. First, the case, the outer case. After multiple rounds of solid spray testing and material selections, we finally decided on double layer 304 stainless steel with an injector adhesive layer in the middle. And we also used these waterproof connectors, and the connectors are fully sealed the adhesive to ensure complete waterproofing. Okay, let's get into the internal structures. We use Goshen brand new grade A 230 ampere hour cells. While providing high capacity, they also ensure the efficiency charging and discharging. And all the connections are made using laser welding, ensures strong, reliable welds, increase contact area, reduce internal resistance, and longer lifespan. And about the BMS, since the clients wanted the battery pack to be connected in parallel, we use the JBD BMS, which supports the 200 ampere continuous discharging and a maximum of 450 ampere. It can support up to 4 batteries pack in parallel. After connecting to the smartphone, the app, you can see the states of the volts, the current, and the power, and all the things. And you can see each cell's voltages through your phone. You can see all the states. This is the charger we custom built for clients, a 24 volts, 100 ampere waterproof charger. For this 230 ampere hour battery pack, it can fully charge in less than 2.5 hours. In summary, this is the 5.5 kilowatt hour life powerful battery pack capable of over 4,000 circles. It means if you charge it once a day, it can last around 10 years. So, if you are looking for life powerful battery pack for your boats or your golf carts, I will design the specific solutions for you. Feel free to let me know. I'm Mark. See you next video.